When choosing a supplier, don't just look at the specs on paper. Look at real, solid quality control strength. Every technical commitment from BSJ is strictly controlled through 6 rigorous quality inspections. Full process transparency, genuine sincerity and honesty, this is the best beginning for mutual trust. Stage 1, Incoming Quality Control. As soon as raw materials arrive and enter our warehouse, we immediately launch strict incoming sample inspections. Every batch is precisely checked for specifications, dimensions, and appearance. We control material quality right at the source, ensuring no defective materials ever enter the production process. Stage 2, In-Process Full Inspection. Every production process follows its own dedicated quality inspection standards. We implement dual control with both manual reinspection and professional instruments. We meticulously examine even the smallest defects to ensure stable and superior quality in every step. Stage 3, In-Process Quality Control. Throughout the entire process, we conduct dynamic patrol inspections, monitoring every detail in real time. Hidden risks are detected early. Problems are resolved immediately, building a solid defense line for process quality. Stage 4, Final Quality Control. As soon as finished products come off the production line, we immediately initiate comprehensive and rigorous testing. We perform multidimensional verification of appearance, structure, functionality, and core parameters. We strive for perfection to ensure every single product consistently meets the highest quality standards. Stage 5, Laboratory Component Inspection. Supported by our professional laboratory and high-precision testing equipment, we perform rigorous specialized tests on all components, including dimensional accuracy, product performance, operational reliability, electromagnetic compatibility, material characteristics, and more. We precisely screen out any unqualified parts, eliminating quality risks at the source and preventing component defects from impacting the final product. Stage 6, Outgoing Quality Control. Before shipment, we perform a final comprehensive reinspection. We meticulously verify each product batch, outer packaging, and all quality indicators one by one. With our rigorous and thorough quality control system, we honor every promise and live up to every customer's trust. BSJ owns a self-built large-scale intelligent manufacturing base, where we independently conduct all performance and quality tests throughout the entire process. Our company holds comprehensive system certifications, and our products are backed by authoritative domestic and international certifications. With real strength, we lay a solid foundation for uncompromising quality.